Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. My kids are MIA, you know how it is. Callie is probably on the bed asleep. Bonnie was in the kitchen last I checked. But she did very good, y'all. During our Christmas celebration, I had a little meal for Daniel's two aunts. Just us, just a little intimate Christmas for us. I don't do good with big crowds. So it was very nice. They're very sweet. I love them to death. But I didn't put her up. Normally I put my cats up so they're not tempted by the food. But I left Bonnie out today, or Friday, Sunday. What day is it? It's Tuesday. Okay, it's been 2 days. I'm already, yeah. Anyway, so she did really good. She jumped up on the counter a few times, not where the food was, but like there's a bar here, and then there's an up, and there's another bar here. Well, she'd get up here and look down at the ham, but she never got in it. And then she would go around the table like a dog would and put her little top paws on our seat and look up at us like, where's my bite? Now, we don't give Bonnie table food. Daniel used to do that, and then she took off with one of his hamburgers, so we haven't been doing that anymore. All they get is their cat treats and cat food. So we were really proud of her for resisting the temptation and being a good kitty. So I have to give her props. I normally fuss at her and talk trash about her because she's always getting in trouble on the channel, but she did really good during Christmas and I'm very proud of her. So I thought I'd share that with you. Today we are actually here for another part of my Macy's haul. Now, I got some faux leather leggings not too long ago in a haul. And I think I got them from Torrid. I will put that up above. Let me think about this. Where am I at? I will put it in one of these corners. I can't remember which one. Anyway, I'll put a link to it up above somewhere where you can go see those other leggings. They're just a little noisy for me, and those weren't the most comfortable ones. I've gotten some really comfortable ones before, I think at Target, but I don't know if they still carry those or not. So I thought I would try the Macy's ones and see if I like those better. And you know, Macy's, they've got such great prices. So this is going to be a legging haul. I just did a big, huge haul for Macy's. Just, $300, $400 worth of stuff. And then I'm dividing it all up into a bunch of different videos because I am trying to do the budget thing. I did get some Christmas presents in that haul. And a lot of this stuff will probably go back, but boy, is it going to be fun to try it on. And y'all get to tell me what you think should go back, what you think I should keep, all that fun stuff. So I got the leather leggings and I got some Cuddl duds because, oh, don't we like the Cuddl duds? I know I've worn them before. Let's look at the Cuddl duds first. There's something about a comfy cozy that just makes my heart happy. Y'all, I actually placed this order on 11/28/22, and this is how long it's taken me to get to it with all the craziness of the holidays. These I paid $20.90 for. Yes, they are red plaid because why not? Great thing about Macy's, I have till March 6, 2023 to decide if I want to return this stuff or not. So I'm in no rush with it. I think that's awesome. So these are the Cuddl Duds Softwear with Stretch High-Waisted Leggings. Let me see if I can take these out. They kind of taped on top of it. I thought this would be super cute with a black sweater or a black top and a black jacket. Just a nice little, cute little Christmas outfit. But they're leggings. They're just a high-waisted plaid legging. Where did that go? There was a Cuddl Duds logo down here somewhere. There's the little logo. Doesn't it just look like a person wrapped up in a blanket? I don't know if it's what it's supposed to be, but that's what it reminds me of. But, I mean, they're soft. They are a little polyester-y slinky. But I think they're cute. I think they're so cute. Oh, I hope they look okay on. And they don't have tags. It's written on there. My husband hates that because he can't read it, but I love it because the tags don't bug me. It's 93 modal and 7 spandex. Wash cold, gentle cycle, tumble dry low, remove promptly, cool down if needed. I love easy. So back, front, Like I said, I paid $20.90 for them. They are regularly $38. Right now they're on sale for $22.80. They do come in solid colors and other colors. There's actually 7 different colors of this. Sizes extra small to large. Oh, they don't get very big. I'm sorry, extra large. My thing, it just didn't want to scroll. I love Macy's. They have sales all the time. I'm such a salesperson, y'all. I am affiliated, but don't think I'm just saying that because I'm affiliated. I actually did seek them out because I wanted to be affiliated. I've always loved Macy's. So, they do feel kind of plasticky and noisy, but they do have a very thick, wide band up here, which is kind of nice. These are the INC, which is International Concepts Women's Faux Leather Leggings, created for Macy's. These are in deep black, size 12. I paid $35.70 for these. These, so edgy, so fun. We'll just see how I like them. The other ones I remember feeling like I was going to tear them when I put them on. They're actually $59.50. Not on sale right now. They do come in 2 different colors, port and this deep black, size 0 to 14. Let's see all sizes. Maybe it goes bigger. Size 0 to 18. So they do get bigger. I do like that. But they're not on sale right now. Sorry about that. Macy's also has this little thing that says wear it with. And you click on the wear it with on there and it shows you different outfits you can wear with it. I really think that's cute and smart on there because, you know, all you got to do is just buy the whole outfit. There you go. You got an outfit. I think it's smart. Okay. So, let's read the tags on this one. U.S. non-leather. Yes, we are aware this is not real leather. Machine wash cold separately. Gentle cycle. Line dry and do not iron. What's it made of? 100% recycled material. But that's all it says. The label's made with 100% recycled material. Not the pants. Doesn't tell me what the pants are actually made out of. That's kind of scary. I have been sent stuff that was made with toxic ingredients before. So yeah, I'm kind of particular. Alright, well we'll try them on. We'll see what happens. They're such a fun. They're so fun. Alright. Don't forget to press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free and I really do appreciate it. All my links below associated with Macy's are going to be affiliate links, which means I will get credited as your sales lady if you click on it and then buy something through the Macy's website. I really appreciate it if you do use my links, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting on? It's free. We're fun. You never know what I'm going to be doing. Anything from Michael's to Macy's to Wannable to home decor. Who knows? There's something on here. Makeup. Ooh, speaking of makeup, aunties that I was talking about gave me a $50 Sephora gift card. What should I buy with my $50 at Sephora? I've been debating. I want to hear y'all's opinion in the comments below. Y'all don't forget to press the notification bell. And if you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping the studio, there are 2 ways to do that. You can use the super thanks through YouTube, like giving a tip, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com, go to Unbox by G, and you can buy me coffee. Thank you so very much. I appreciate it. I'll see you back in a second. So here is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing these cute little boots. Oh my goodness. I think I got these from Amazon. I am wearing these pants I got from, I'm thinking, Wannable. They're 151. Very nice pants. My top that is too big for me now. I think I'm going to have to get rid of it. It's just too big. Is from Express, and my jacket, I'm kind of thinking I got this off Amazon. Necklace, this one I think is from mintMONGOOSE. This one is Rocksbox. These were, where were they from? I got them in a subscription box. I'll have to put that down below. Let me change now. So today I'm only going to do a part day of filming, so I opted for cozy and comfy. Because after this, I'm going to be packing and getting ready to go out of town. So I just put on this tunic shirt that I got from Kohl's a while back, some leggings that I got, I think they're called Crazy Yoga, from Amazon, and some Juicy Couture Juicy Couture tennies that I got from Marshall's. My jewelry, this one is Rocksbox, and these I think I got from mintMONGOOSE. Alright, let's try these clothes on. Well, I'm edgy. I don't love these simply because they are thick and hard to pull up. They don't come up high enough, so they're making the fupa stick out up here. You know, I feel like I'm baggy. I was looking at my no-show underwear showing through these thick leather pants. They kind of bunch around the knees, which I don't love that. I just like those other ones better. I guess I'm going to have to get them again or see if Target has them again. But yeah, these I'm not in love with either. Alright, these I like. I think they're adorable. I mean, I think they're cute like this. I think they look better with a black sweater or something like that. Or even a shirt that had a little bit of the buffalo plaid on it. Super adorable. Super cute. Great for a Christmas Day kind of thing. Of course, we're past Christmas Day now. But they come up plenty high. They're comfortable. I like these a lot. I'm very happy with the Cuddl duds. Oh my good gracious, my knee popped again. I'm getting old, y'all. But these are adorable. I love these a lot. I actually am thinking I may keep these on. Well, no, I can't do that. I'd like to keep these on and just keep filming these instead of putting my other ones on because they're more comfortable as to where the other ones are more of a workout. These are just more leggingy softness. I like these a lot. Alright, let's do a recap. Alright, y'all, we are back. Yeah, I wasn't in love with these pants. I'm just going to keep looking and I will find the perfect legging, that leather look, faux leather legging. I will find it. This is just not it. So this is $35.50 that I will be returning to Macy's and probably spending on something else. Now, the Cuddl duds, on the other hand, I really like these, and I'm probably going to keep these. $20.90. Of course, you know, like I said, the prices are going to be different depending on when I put this video out. Do keep that in mind, but I will put links to each individual piece so that you can see how much everything is, and if it's in your size, and if you want to buy it and use my links, that's wonderful. Thank you so very much. These I'm keeping. What did you think? What, alright. I'll say it right in a minute. Where are you getting your leather leggings from? What brands are you liking? Help a girl out. Tell me where I can get these edgy leggings and actually enjoy them. You know, get to keep them. I'm out of sorts. I'm just out of sorts today. I've got too much on my mind. Y'all, I appreciate you hanging in there with me and my craziness. I hope you enjoyed this. Comment below. Let me know what you think of my two pieces, my leggings. Let me know what your favorite brand of legging is. Anything you want to say down there, I'd love to read it. While you're down there, I'd love it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I really appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it. And don't forget to share with your friends. Encourage them to also subscribe and like and share and all that good stuff. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when new videos are coming in. And if you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping the studio area, I really appreciate it. There's two ways to do that. You can press the super thanks, which is like giving a tip through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com, go to Unbox by G, and you can buy me coffee there. Thank you so very much. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.